Hi, I'm Lynette, and in the last video, I talked to you about a book art project that I'm doing, and in the beginning stages, I create these little mock-ups so that I can work out any of the problems that I may come up that need to be solved, or just work out the dimensions or how it's going to be put together and my decision-making process on that. And I'm really excited today because I'm going to show you the full-scale version of it. And some adjustments were made, yes, but I'm really excited about this. So I'm going to switch the camera around and then we'll get into the details. And as a summary, I had taken a large painting, which I didn't really like, and tore it into smaller pieces, 6 inch by 6 inch, and then created little mini paintings from it that I actually love right now. And I wanted them to be put into book art. So I created this piece, and I'm really excited about it. There's no sewing involved, which is even more exciting. And it is, I did an accordion fold on it. The size is a little bit different. I did adjust it because I took a larger sheet of paper and cut it down. And then I did the die cut for the front cover so that it shows the painting on the inside. And then the spine. And I also, on some of the blank pages, I put some quotes that really help motivate me, or else I'm going to put other quotes that, like for example here, I'll put one that remind me of when I was working on the process and what I had gone through. And what I find about this in the book art is that for me, the power of book art goes beyond just creating something that's visually pleasing. It's about using tangible, hands-on creation. And it's a way to explore my inner world. And when you physically manipulate materials, there's something that's grounding and real about it. And the act of creating really becomes a metaphor for the challenges and adjustments and triumphs that we experience in life. And this process mirrors so much of what we go through in life and in creative pursuits. Sometimes we make plans and everything seems set, but as we move forward, we find that we need to adapt, which is what I had to do here. And creativity, like personal growth, isn't always linear. It's messy and it's unpredictable. So it changed from this little itty bitty piece that I had started with, and then I had to adapt it. So when you're feeling stuck, unsure about your creative potential, or overwhelmed by self-doubt, remember that you don't have to have all the answers right away. Start where you are, embrace the process, make these adjustments, and trust yourself. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Ask questions in the comments and hit that subscribe button to see more.